Yeah. Sorry, I just want to say that this like again this is a continuation to that my previous session. So the condition remains same that this is only I'm sharing only my experiences and not uh, of any I'm not giving you any recommendation. It is I am only sharing my experiences, and you will be responsible for your trades, profits or losses. So let's be clear on that. This is a continuation to session to my previous session, and hope you have understood what I was telling about my Nifty trades. Now, what we will do is we can you give me any day. I will tell you how you can trade it or I can trade it on that particular day based on my candles. Okay? Yeah, tell me which day you want to trade.
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was really a very good day, ma'am. Downfall means right chance. So now I will remove all this. Okay. So yesterday means this day, correct?
Yes.
So I will draw my resistance and support lines. See, here is my I am trying to draw something better. Okay. Yeah. Now, why I have selected this? Because this body is touching, Vicky is touching, here Vicky is touching, this is body is touching, this body is touching, correct? And there is no harm if I say this is the safest line. Next, if it goes down, got it? That line. And then if it goes up, if it goes up, 1 minute, 1 minute. Again. Yeah. Huh. And now if you see, if it goes up, it may go till here. If it goes down, it may go till here. That is only my scope for the day. Got it? Then, now, on the pre-market, what is the, if you can see what is the, on this day, what is the market opening? Can you tell? 23,722, correct? So, my, this one will become 23,722. This is my strike, CERPE. So now it can go 23,700 or 23,800. Correct? Sorry. 50-50, right? 23,700 and 23,750. Plus or minus 50. That is what I will think. Means or something like that, 50-50. They add approximately I'm putting. Okay. You can put it approximately. Then after doing this, what we have to do? First, what is the date today? 12th May. Go to 3 minutes. Then 12th May. Correct? Can you see my screen clearly?
Yes, Jerry.
Yeah. So if you see this, this is a red doji. Here we can't decide anything. Here we can't decide anything. Here. This shows that it is going down. Correct? So till where you have to, here you enter. Okay. Then you wait for first green. Here you end. Got it? I'm showing you in 3 minutes.
Ah, okay, Jerry. First green we will exit, right? Yeah.
Okay, first green you exit, because morning hour always keep in mind that first green you exit. Don't wait for second
Okay.
hint. In mid of the day, you can wait for second hint. But in the morning hours, if it is before 10:30, you don't wait for the second hint. That is my first, this one. Then you ride from
Jabin, sorry, where was the entry?
here. 23,700.
Third candle.
Third candle. Because it showed a clear downward movement.
Okay.
And you see, I told you, right? You will find at that place. By the time you find it, see, whatever the logic I explained in first part, we found that strike at this price. And now here we are finding at this price, correct? So that is always the, like some match we can see. Then you enter here. Then you wait till you find first green. Got it? So your first trade is done, and from it is to 23,700 to 23,630, which is 70 points. Is that clear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
that means
Yes.
that strike price we need to buy, right?
Correct. Here we need, I will buy. That is what I'm saying. I will buy at this price and I will
Okay.
exit at this candle. Okay. And then afterwards, if you see, there was quite sufficient side moves. And you can find a like little bit hope here. Correct? Because it has crossed this line. This line.
Yeah, resistance it crossed, right? Yeah.
But the candles, it has in fully sideways from 9:30 to 10. Morning hours, this was in full sideways for that much time. Morning hours. Got it? Then what you need to do, you have to check for some other confirmation. Go to 5-minute candle. Because blindly we should not do. Got it? If you see, it has not crossed this line. If you are somewhat having doubt, right, you should cross check with the other time frame. It has never crossed that point. So you don't be in hurry to enter. Here this was in sideways, and here it is not crossing this. And the candles forming are very irritating. If you see this sideways, it is very irritating. So what you need, you can enter here because it is solid, red after this green. You can enter here, but don't wait for too much, profit. You have to keep the nearest one, because candles are not clear. Candles are not clear. They are in sideways. Here in sideways, again it may be in sideways. So what is the clear indication? This one, because it has, this is first hint. This is the confirmation that it is going to be in downtrend. Got it?
Yeah, it broke the support, right? So
Correct. And also, what you need to understand, after when it closes this, our 3 lines are over. Correct? Whatever we drawn in the daily time frame. Daily time frame. Whatever we have drawn up, if means we have kept, right, if it moves up, it will move till here. If it goes down till here, this line is already over. Next, what? We have to draw another line till where it will go. 1 minute. We have to draw this line. Now, why I have drawn this line? Can you tell me? Here,
to
body.
find how it will go down. Yeah, how much it will go down.
So here, this line, the justification for this line is this one, body touching. This one is wick
So how
touching.
yeah, many candles are
This one is
touching.
wick.
Right, right.
This one is wick. So 3-4 points it is touching. So till here
Touching.
you can drop. And now if you
Okay.
come back, so there is chance that it will go till that place. If you see, it went, but that sideways is like very much pathetic. It is not giving a clear hint. See, it's small things only going on. So this ride will be little bit tough, but it is not giving any clear hint. Then what you need to do, whenever you see such pathetic stops, you still draw to a bigger time frame. Bigger time frame on what is the date? Yesterday. Go. See, it has given you a clear hint. After this red line, the red one, here it is a clear hint. Here you can enter, keeping this as stop loss. After this, it never touched that point. Can you see this? Here it is a hint that trend may be downtrend. And for 1 hour, it wasn't like not moving any hint that it is going up. That means the ride is going to be slow and it may make a big difference, but still you should have a number in mind that if it closes above this, close means this, if this point you enter, and if it closes above the body of this, you will exit. Means which is this point. If anything closes above this point, for some time, you can exit. See how much downtrend it has shown. From there to see. So this way, you can find comfort in this. Why? Because, I will tell you. Each candle, how it is. This one, you have. This one is okay. Within this, engulfing. Correct? This is all, these two are engulfing. This is still downward only. And this is engulfing. This one, it is engulfing. Here, these two candles are engulfing this. And these three candles are, this is engulfing. And this is a clear downtrend that has expected. And this week, it has not touched that and it has come down. Then this is okay, red, this is okay, this is red, this is green, but it is not to be considered. Why? Because all candles are small only, right? Previous candles are not big. These candles are all small only. And this is also engulfing. Correct? Engulfing candle. So, this candle, 3 engulfing. And if you see, engulfing is something common which you can see it here. That means these 2 candles are, this is engulfing. These 3 candles, this is engulfing. This candle, this is engulfing. These 3 candles, this is engulfing. And this is again a solid downtrend. Correct? Then, again till here, this is engulfing. Now, when you come here, you should be little bit conscious and you, means here you target minus 2 or 3, you exit here. Because even after, after 3, moves will be very different. You should not wait after meeting this. Even if it going down, you don't wait for this. That is my suggestion. Means you exit here or here. Because time is 4 o'clock and full downtrend only it is happening. Means 2 o'clock and full downtrend only happening. It may take a reverse turn. There are chances, high chances. So my suggestion is to exit here, or means these 2 candles are worse than this candle. Got it? Because I see that downtrend. And also yesterday there was some news, right? There was some news. What was that? Yesterday? War, something was happening.
Modi telling to people stop buying gold and then use
Correct.
work from home.
So there is something that is going on. So even if it comes down, right? They see this crazy move last minute. Can you see this? So such things can happen even here. Okay. So don't go beyond this or this. Already our expectation was only till here, correct? If you see. But after moving here, you don't think that it may move still down. So applying logic plus little bit of common sense. Sometimes it matters. Got it? Even you can ride it till here, but again it will go right. In the last minute after 3, right? Sometimes moves will be very crazy. Very, very crazy. After 3. And that one, you should play it in after 3 o'clock. You play it in 1 minute. candles. If you are, if you are taking fresh trades and something like that, right? You play it in 1 minute candle. Don't play it in 5 minutes or 15 minutes candle. That is my sincere advice. In the first means 9:15 to 10 and 3 o'clock to preferably 2:45 or 3. Don't play it in 15 minutes candle or something like that. Play it in after 3, especially play it in 1 minute candle. Don't wait for that. Whatever your F&O trades are there, close it before 3 o'clock. Even if it is loss or even if it is you are going to lose some money, it is okay, but don't be in losses. That is how we need to play. Why you have to, the justification here is there is, when it has cut down, see this candle, if you see, this candle has cut down sharp half, correct? So there is high chances that it may cut another resistance line. That is where we have to stay. But time also we should watch because it is 3 o'clock. I will prefer to close my trade at this candle. That's it. 2:45 preferably. Any doubts? And especially, this is a very clear hint that it will go down a lot. 15 minutes candle, see? And after that also, this is not moving much. So, yeah. Any other day? This is clear, right?
Clear,
Yes.
Jabin. Yeah.
Yeah. Any other day you want to discuss, or we can call it a day?
Ma'am, what did we discuss Monday, ma'am?
Monday. Monday means which day? Yesterday only, right?
11th, ma'am.
7th. This day? 7th. Okay. Now all remove all these drawings. Any day, right? You first remove all the drawings. And then previous day. This is sounded
Jabin,
bleak.
Monday is 11th. He's asking for 11th, I think, not 7th.
No, Monday he said.
Yeah. Today is Wednesday, right? So Monday is 11th.
Okay. Yes, yes. This one. Okay. First remove all the drawings. This is the previous day. Correct? If it moves above, first draw this line. That is the line which it closed. If it moves above, this day, right? 11th, Monday. If it moves above, it will move till here. No, wait. Let me draw it clearly. Maybe till this line. Control. Because see, this lines drawing is very important. Okay. And why I have selected this line? I will justify. Because okay, you understood, right? This body is touching, this body is touching, this wick is touching, this wick is touching, this wick is touching, this wick is touching, so and this body is touching. So there is a lot of reason to select that point. And now, down if it moves. Got it? So, the idea is on this day, if it is moving up, it has to move up till here. If it is moving down, it has to move down till here. But sometimes our scope may not work out like what we expect, because many times Nifty, it may see gap down, gap up, something like this will happen. Then what will happen? See this pre-market hours. See, whatever the rules I have said, right, it will work like beautifully. Got it? It will work like beautifully. Why I will say these rules? Can you see this? Estimate the scope during pre-market hours. So pre-market hours, it says opening, what is the time? 23970, correct? Which was 24222. It is going to open gap down, and that too a lot, correct? Then now you come here. Now what is your date? What is your strike price? Tell me, what is your strike price for this day? 23,970, right? 23,950. So it may be 23,900 or 24,000. 1 minute. I'll switch on my light. Can you see this? So I am expecting I will find my strike at 23,900 or 24,000. Now you got it? So now go to that particular day. Which is this 11th. 3 minute you go. 11th. See this? If you see this, here it has formed a strong red candle. So you can enter here and you can exit here, because one green candle you have already seen, and this is a morning hour, correct? Sometimes our trade my expectations may go wrong, but that is okay. But still you are in profit if you enter here and exit here, correct? That is a very small move. But be careful, because this candle, if it closes above this, correct? If it closes above this, it is going to be like, it is not safe till it closes above this. Why? Because it is trying to be a sideway gain. So what you need to do is this one. If you see this, see this wick, actually scope should be this first candle. Means most of the time it may move between these two lines. And if you see the day, full day, it was moving within that side lines. Got it? This week, if you put start and end, it is moving between that lines. And since it has opened too much gap down, there are less chances that it will still go down too much. Like the very peculiar day where there is news. Yesterday when we saw, there was some news, so it went peculiarly down, correct? But here that may not be, every time that may not be the case. Here if you see, this should be the scope. And even if you come to 5 minutes candle and see that first 5 minutes, where is that? 11, go to that. See first 5 minutes candle, that is the scope. And most of the day it was in that scope. Got it? So here you may not find the right candle or right entry only. And that is okay. Got it? See here you never got a good entry. Here if you see bigger, zoom it and see, then this is down. This is down. In 5 minutes, it has given a clear signal that it may go down. So what you need to enter? Here you have to enter. And your first target should be this. Means this line, resistance. But why you should not exit here? Because this line has cut such a way that without any hesitation it has cut, correct? Without any hesitation it has cut. So you can write this till you find one green candle. Got it? From here to here. Is that clear? And now if you see, I have shifted from 3 minutes to 5 minutes because I found more comfort here. Comfort is important. This is a reverse bullet. Clear? You see, because it may form one green and move up. Correct? That may happen. But this red gave me confirmation. This red gave me a hint. First red gave me a hint. Second red gave me a confirmation. That is why I entered here and I exited here. That is okay because see, I told you right before 9:30, 10, anything if you see first, you exit. That's it. And even if it is, see, this one is like very uncertain things because still it goes down also. That will happen most of the times, but still you need to wait for a lot of time and it's morning hours, so there is no guarantee. So you don't means lose this money. Whichever from here means almost it is also good move. 2,900 to 2,850, 100 rupees move something, 80 or 100 rupees move is there, which is a very good move. Correct? So, and
Jabin,
now,
which PE you have taken, Jabin, in that red candle?
yeah, tell me. Here.
Jabin, that one. Which 23,930, right?
So 23,950 I will take, or 23,900 I will take, like, which is
Okay, Jabin.
uh, got it? 20.
Yes.
See, sometimes it should be dynamic because it is an F&O and it is like you need to be literally smart if you are going to do it in F&O because you can set 10 rules, 100 rules, but still there will be 101 rule that will be coming up and you should be ready for that. Correct? See, when I told you scope game, it should move in this range only, but it went down. It even didn't open in this place. It opened below that. So I should be mentally ready to play a different game altogether. Correct? So when it shows the bullet, I felt that yes, this is a reverse bullet. If you guys remember my bullet concept, this is a reverse bullet. Correct? So I will enter here and this red candle is bigger than this green candle. So I will enter here. So my rules, if you remember all the rules, then you can play nice, make good money in F&O. So here you exit, correct? Then you wait for the right entry. When is the right entry? This green. But here is so many, it has played. So again it will come up. So wait. This one is not a clear hint. See, I was expecting this to go down, but it didn't. It didn't. This didn't. So if it forms again a reverse bullet, again I will something like this I will form. Means if it closes the red here, again I will take it here, but it didn't do. See here. But this one shows that these two, if you combine, it is bigger than this candle, correct? But still, it is some is common part. So wait, don't wait, jump. Here it is touching. So now here it is a hint that it will move up. Here you can enter, or when it gives a clear hint, here you can enter. And then you wait for some candle which is reasonable. And now where you have to close it. Got it? That point only you have to close it. Why? Why you have to close? Why I'm saying here you have to close it? Because it is playing a sideways games, boss. Here, see, so much time it is sideways games and the candles are still sinking. So, and candles are, whenever something like this, candles are forming small candles, wicks and all that stuff. Suddenly one green candle will form like this. And it may be in sideways, always fearing you, or something like it will suddenly go down. We can't say. So, whenever market is in sideways, keep the nearest target. Got it? So if you enter here, I'm going to close this, guys, maybe fasten it. Okay, I will not take much of your time. Here you enter, here you exit. There's one resistance, sufficient. Why that resistance? Because it is here, 2 bullets, common place. That's it. Got it? So there you have to exit. And again, you have to wait for the right entry. But looking at this, we feel that most of the time it will be in sideways. And when it has given you a clear entry, here it has given you, again, here is the exit, I will say, because it is the sideways game. Don't wait for this. You exit here only. Keep this target because this wick is matching. Here, this wick is matching. Got it? You should not wait for this. Just because now you are able to see the candle, you don't see, no, I can book it till here. No, it's not. It's so much candles are hesitating and not a good thing. It is in sideways. Market has big red candles and this green candles are small. So don't hesitate. Don't even think of it. If you enter here, you target only this week. That's it. And now this is the clear hint. Downwards again. See this red and this is a solid red. Correct? So this you can ride it till you find one green. See, according to me, here you enter, here you exit. Again, you can enter here, you can exit here. What I will do is I will do multiple entries, but I will not do a panic ride. Got it? See, what will do? One thing I will take 100 rupees, it will go. For that, I cannot risk 2000 or 3000 rupees profit. Leave it to market and take that things. Got it? And see, this is 15 minutes. After 3 o'clock, see how panically it moved. See, if you might have waited, it may move down. But based on the candles, I can make out that this will form red. But sometimes, right, if you are a beginner, you don't do that. Means you don't wait for that after 3. You close your trade by 245. Got it here. See, if you still want to ride the candle, yes, here you can enter. Again, you till one green, you can exit. Again, you can enter here and again you can exit here. But that is all risky rides. This is very risky ride, but you will be in huge profits if it strikes. Even if it loses also, it will lose like that only. Got it? See, what if it after this it forms a green candle bigger than this? You can't estimate that. So if you want to take risk, you have to wait for this candle to complete. At 255, you enter here and you wait for one green candle or whatever it is. Got it? But after 3 o'clock, I prefer if you are experienced only, you do it. Okay? I know, guys, I'm telling the repeatedly same things, but this is some things which you need to keep in mind. These rules you should not forget. Got it?
Thanks, Jibin.
Take only one trade at a time, and this is something which you can't ignore. Find the right comfort. Which time frame you select, that time frame you should be able to ride. And
That means if I'm putting in 5 minutes time frame candle means I have to wait and close in that time frame only, right?
Yeah.
In that signals.
Yes.
Meaning it, yeah.
Yes. Also, whenever you see this reverse bullet, right, it is high time you enter because more lots also you can take because there is high chances that it will go down properly. Reverse, especially whenever ride bullet, see, reverse bullet, you can ride it till here. Reverse bullet, you can ride it till here. See, even this things look small, but 100 points, 50 points is not a small amount in Nifty.
That bullet you mean the next candle is bigger than the previous candle, right? The opposite
No,
colors, but bigger
this
than
is
the
red,
ones.
this is red in between green.
Yeah. Oh,
That
that is bullet you are meaning. Okay,
that is
okay.
bullet. See, even
Oh,
this is red, these two are green, but this is engulfing, like a clear hint that it will go down.
okay.
This is go down. And here it is like, see, green, this is red. See, this is hint, this is confirmation that there is a long way to go. Got it?
Got it.
And also one thing what you need to, you see, it has come down, but it has to go there, right? Because it was in this, it struggled a lot to cross this line. So it will touch that line and come back. That is somewhere you need not exit it and you wait for the next candle. Got it? That may also be another point which you may not to know. But if you want to, don't take all the tensions of keeping too many rules. You exit here, again you enter here. That's okay.
Okay, CEP we have to consciously we have to take, right? Because both the game we are playing. So
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. See, if I'm taking here, I will take 23,950 PE. Okay. If I'm taking here, I will take 23,900 PE.
Yes.
And another logic I will tell you. First, you select intraday. Then only you select IM. Because whichever carry forward or intraday. First, you take intraday. Then if on the same strike, if you want to take another trade, then you take CF, carry forward trade. Got it? That way you can trade 2 times the same strike.
Jabin, repeat one more time. I couldn't get you.
See, here if you are taking trade, 23,950 is the strike you will use.
Okay.
That time you select intraday, not carry forward one.
Okay.
That way you can take this strike 2 times, trade the same strike 2 times. Means one is intraday, one is carry forward. Got it?
Jabin, Raj raised. Yeah.
See, but sometimes what will happen if you see this? Where is my trade? I will show you. See, 400 PE. Where is my 23450? Oh, okay. I have to show you some logic. 2 times I might have taken some things. See, 2700 PE. Intraday I have taken. Next, CF, carry forward trade I have taken. Got it? Like this, 2 times you can trade the same strike.
Okay, Jabin. One is carry forward, another one is intraday. Okay.
Intraday and this is CF. That is another logic. Okay? So that you need not take far away strikes. If you get a chance, you can take 2 times. So always put intraday. And also, if you have not exited that, convert that intraday to CF before 310. Okay? Don't wait for it on its own to close it. These are all the tricks which you need to know.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I have one question, ma'am.
Huh.
Like, while buying itself, can we able to place stop loss?
You can place, sir. But I will not do. That's what I'm saying. Because see, if you place stop loss, this week may hit and again it may go up. Correct?
Okay, yes.
It
So
is available in Zerodha, Raj. Both
It's
target and you
okay.
can fix.
yeah.
Okay. So I mean, I'm newly into this options, ma'am. So for me, like initially, is there any suggested way like I need to see on this timing morning or
No,
just to
first
start play around
some
with
paper
this?
trading. First you do, see, meeting time will be over, but just try to quickly tell you less than a minute.
Yeah,
So it is like
yeah.
you do some paper trading based on 3 minutes candle for 1 month or
Okay,
2 months. Then only you do real trading. Don't do it, go directly attempt it. That is my suggestion.
okay,
At least 2
okay,
months, 3 months, if you do, you note down the profits and losses. Then you will come to know, observe the candles for 2, 3 months. Then only you can make it.
okay. Any platform is there, ma'am, to do this as you
I
aware?
think then it's available, Raj. Evening I will confirm
Okay,
discuss this one. Okay, I
sure,
think then
sure,
platform it is there. With the real money, I think that means paper trading. You can do it at
sure,
the moment.
sure. Yeah,
Okay, guys, we'll call it a day. Sorry, this meeting is winding up. So, yeah, we'll call it a day.
yeah,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Javin.
Thanks,
Thank you
everybody.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thanks.